Hello student, today we see objective questions on industrial hydraulics and pneumatic subject. Now this is question number 81. Figure shows which type of actuator. There are four options: linear actuator, rotary actuator, rack and pinion type actuator, vane type of actuator. In this figure, here this is a pinion gear. These are the rack. So this is a rack and pinion limited rotary actuator. So answer is this rack and pinion rotary actuator. Okay. So this is the answer, rack and pinion rotary actuator. Question number 82. Which type of circuit shown in figure? This circuit is which type? Actuation of single acting cylinder, actuation of double acting cylinder, actuation of unidirectional motor, actuation of bidirectional motor. Here cylinder means cylinder produces a linear motion, reciprocatory motion, and motor are rotary actuator that produces a rotary motion that may be clockwise, may be anti-clockwise. Here this is a actuation of unidirectional motor. So this is answer, actuation of unidirectional motor. This is a motor. This motor having unidirectional because here only one triangle is shown. Okay. Here one reverse triangle, hollow triangle they are showing. So this answer is actuation of unidirectional motor. Cylinder provides a linear motion. Motor provides a rotary motion. Next question. Name represented by C. This figure shows A, B, C unit. A represent filter, B represent pressure regulator, C represent lubricator. This unit is used, FRL unit is used in pneumatic system. Okay. So question is name represent by C. C हा component काय दाखवतो ते आपल्याला सांगायचं आहे. So C represent lubricator. Okay. So answer is lubricator. Total composite unit is FRL unit. First A component is filter, second regulator, third lubricator, and total this composite unit is FRL unit. This unit is used in pneumatic system. Okay. Next question. Question number 84. What are the factors considered for selection of compressor? Compressor is used in pneumatic system. While selecting compressor for pneumatic system, we have to consider various factors. So what are that factors? Average air consumption of the system, free air delivery, air receiver capacity. We require all these above factors while selecting compressor. So answer all of the above. Average air consumption of the system, free air delivery, FAD, air receiver capacity. Okay. Next question, question number 85. Lubricator works on which principle? Lubricator, FRL unit, C component, last L means lubricator. This FRL unit is used in pneumatic system that works on which principle? Correct? So there are four options: Venturi principle, Bernoulli's principle, Orifice principle, all of above. So answer is Venturi principle. This is the answer. Lubricator in pneumatic system, lubricator in FRL unit works on Venturi principle. Okay. Next question. Following figure shows which type of pneumatic circuit? Here they are showing two single acting cylinder. This is single acting cylinder 1, single acting cylinder 2. Okay. And meter in circuit, meter out circuit, bleed off circuit, sequencing circuit. So here this is a sequence valve, means if compressed air flow through this 3/2 direction control valve, first that actuates cylinder 1. After actuation, after extension of cylinder 1, air flows through this sequence valve and then cylinder 2 actuate. Correct? So this is a sequencing circuit, means after performing one operation, second operation perform in sequence. So this figure shows operation of sequencing circuit. Meter in circuit means flow control valve is placed before inlet of cylinder in pressure line. Meter out circuit means flow control valve is placed in outlet, that is a meter out circuit. Bleed off means flow control valve is placed in bypass line. Sequencing means operation are performed in sequence, means first cylinder 1 actuate, then cylinder 2 actuate, means first air flows through this line to cylinder 1 extend, then air flow through sequencing circuit, then cylinder 2 actuate. Okay, so answer is sequencing circuit. Here they are giving 4 options: meter in, meter out, bleed off. Meter in, meter out and bleed off, these circuits are related to flow control valve, means location, position of flow control valve. Where is flow control valve placed? If flow control valve is placed before inlet, that is meter in. If flow control valve is placed after inlet, that is meter out. Okay, and if flow control valve is placed in bypass line, that is meter bleed off. And sequencing means operation are performed in sequence. Okay, figure shows which type of load. This is a figure. This weight is acting in downward direction. This weight is lifted with help of hydraulic pressure or pneumatic pressure. So weight is acting in downward direction, and piston rod moves in upward direction, means this is an example of opposing load. There are opposing load, overrunning load, both of above and none of above. These are the option. So answer is opposing load. This is the answer. Next question. Question number 88. Figure shows which type of hydraulic circuit. Here this is a hydraulic circuit is used. They are giving shaper machine circuit, milling machine circuit, drilling machine circuit, none of above. Here cutting tool is placed on this tool post placed on clamper block attached to ram, and this ram is placed on double acting both side double ended piston rod. Okay, so this circuit is a shaper machine circuit. Okay, here flow control valve is placed to this side, flow control valve is placed at outlet. So shaper machine circuit use meter out circuit. So answer is shaper machine circuit. Okay, next question. Question number 89 is the last element in which oil enters and leaves from it to drain to reservoir for recirculation. Filter is the last element in hydraulic system where oil enter and leave from it to drain it to reservoir for recirculation. In hydraulic system, oil recirculate again and again. Okay, so question number 89 completed. Question number 90, it shows a type of pump. This figure shows which type of pump: piston pump, screw pump, gear pump, none of above. This figure shows a gear pump. This figure shows screw pump, not gear pump. Here gear are not shown, means one driver gear, another driven gear. Both gear are meshed to each other. That is a gear pump. A piston pump means there is cylinder, piston and piston rod arrangement. So that is a piston pump. But here 2 screws are provided. This is a driver screw and this is a driven screw. So this is a screw pump. We'll shift to next question. आपण पुढच्या क्वेश्चन कडे जात आहोत. आपण आतापर्यंत 10 क्वेश्चन पाहिलेले आहेत. क्वेश्चन नंबर 91 works on principle of reciprocation of piston parallel to axis of driving shaft. Radial piston pump, vane pump, axial piston pump, none of above. Vane pump मध्ये वेन वापरलेले असतात due to sliding and circular motion of vanes. Vane pump work. Radial piston means all pistons are arranged radially, and in axial piston pump, axis works on reciprocation of piston parallel to axis of driving shaft. Okay, So this answer is axial piston pump. Axial piston pump works on principle of reciprocation of piston parallel to axis of driving shaft. Question number 92. Force causes vanes to come out of the rotor slot in vane pump. Centripetal force, centrifugal force, friction force, none of above. So answer is centrifugal force. Centrifugal force causes vanes to come out of the rotor slot in vane pump. तर याचा आन्सर सेंट्रीफ्युगल फोर्स आहे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 93. सिम्बॉल ऑफ पंप. हा सिम्बॉल कशाचा दाखवतो? बायडायरेक्शनल फिक्स डिलिव्हरी, युनिडायरेक्शनल व्हेरिएबल डिलिव्हरी, बायडायरेक्शनल व्हेरिएबल डिलिव्हरी, युनिडायरेक्शनल फिक्स डिलिव्हरी. तर याचा आन्सर आहे बायडायरेक्शनल व्हेरिएबल डिलिव्हरी. हा बायडायरेक्शनल आहे. याचा वरती ट्रायंगल दाखवलाय, खाली ट्रायंगल दाखवलाय आणि हा व्हेरिएबल साठी हा एक एरो दाखवलेला आहे. म्हणून याचा आन्सर आहे बायडायरेक्शनल व्हेरिएबल पंप. बायडायरेक्शनल व्हेरिएबल पंप. Okay, symbol of motor. Question number 92. This symbol of which type of motor? Here triangle in opposite direction. This is an arrow. Triangle. This is a circle. In circle, this triangle, dark triangle they are given. That is in opposite direction. So this is a unidirectional variable motor. So answer is what? Unidirectional variable delivery motor. याच्यात जर अजून खाली सुद्धा ट्रायंगल दाखवलेला असता तर ती बाय डायरेक्शनल व्हेरिएबल डिलिव्हरी झाली असते. आणि याच्यात हा एरो दाखवलेला आहे म्हणून व्हेरिएबल डिलिव्हरी. जर हा एरो दाखवलेला नसता तर ते फिक्स डिलिव्हरी. ओके. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. फिगर शोज सिम्बॉल. हा सिम्बॉल कशाचा आहे? तर दिस इज द सिम्बॉल ऑफ प्रेशर अँड टेम्परेचर कॉम्पन्सेटेड फ्लो कंट्रोल वॉल. दिस इज द सिम्बॉल ऑफ सिंपल फ्लो कंट्रोल वॉल. This first arrow indicate pressure compensated flow control wall, and this second arrow, this second element indicate pressure and temperature compensated flow control wall. So answer is D, pressure and temperature compensated flow control wall. Next question. Figure shows a symbol. This symbol of which? Filter, regulator, lubricator, FRL unit. So answer is FRL unit. First element, this symbol is of filter, this symbol is of regulator, this symbol is of lubricator. So answer is FRL unit. Filter, regulator, lubricator. Okay. Next question. Quick exhaust wall is specially used in. Whether quick exhaust wall is used in pneumatic system, hydraulic system. So quick exhaust wall only used in pneumatic system. Quick exhaust wall is used in only pneumatic system. Okay. Next question. Which of following is not applicable of hydraulic system? Ship steering mechanism, ship building, hydraulic brake, nut runner. So nut runner is the application of pneumatic system. This ship steering mechanism, ship building, hydraulic brake, these are the application of hydraulic system. Only nut runner is the application of pneumatic system. Last question. Which of following is not application of pneumatic system? Pneumatic press, pneumatic clamps, pneumatic brakes. This pneumatic system uses air as a fluid, but in CNC machine we require a very high pressure and force. So CNC machine use hydraulic system. So answer is CNC machine. So CNC machine is not application of pneumatic system. तर यामध्ये आपण आता 20 क्वेश्चन कव्हर केलेले आहेत. पुढच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण पुन्हा 20 क्वेश्चन कव्हर करू. तुम्हाला हा व्हिडिओ आवडला असल्यास लाईक, शेअर, सबस्क्राईब करा. थँक्यू.